Hi friends, I am Pravin. Today I come with a new video in SEO complete full tutorial guys. If you are new to this video, please do watch the before videos so that only you will get the knowledge of basic knowledge of SEO guys. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Today I am going to explain what is keyword analysis. Here keyword analysis is also called keyword research guys. First you should know why we should do keyword analysis guys. First thing is on-page optimization. If you are going to optimize your on-page, you must do keyword research, guys. Without doing keyword research, you should not optimize your on-page. Second is off-page. If you are going to write article submission, blog submission, document submission, you must research the keyword and you should write article submission and blog submission, everything in off-page. Without doing keyword research, you should not write anything, guys. So keyword analysis plays a major role in SEO guys. Here the keyword analysis will be done in four steps. First one is brainstorming. The second one is Google instant search result. Third one is Google keyword planner. Fourth one is other tools for keyword research. Now I will explain what is brainstorming. I have already explained you. First, you should have a single Excel sheet where we have before done business analysis, guys. After doing the business analysis, we must do keyword analysis. If you are new to this video, please watch the before video to know how to do business analysis, guys. Now I am going to explain what is keyword analysis. For this, you have to create a new sheet. After creating a new sheet, type the title as keyword analysis. Now we have to type here as brainstorming. Now I will explain you what is brainstorming. Brainstorming means we have to think and type what we will search in Google, guys. Simply consider if you are going to do a project for digital marketing agency. Now you should consider you as a user. Now you will be what you will be going to search in Google. So you have to enter the keyword what you will search here in Excel. Consider if I am going to do SEO for digital marketing agency, what I will search best digital marketing agency. Next is digital marketing company, digital marketing, digital marketing agency in Chennai. Now, if you are going to do a project which the company is located in Chennai, you have to type like this. So like this you have to think and type what you will search in Google, guys. So it is called brainstorming. So next to do brainstorming, I have tell you that the next one is Google instant search results. Type here Google instant search results. Now what is Google instant search result? If you want to perform Google instant search result, first if you are going to do with this same mail, you have to clear the history. No, if you are not interested to clear the history, open new guest tab and here type google.com. Now if you are going to do a SEO for digital marketing agency, type digital marketing. Here the Google will automatically will suggest some keywords. These keywords are called Google instant search result, guys. Here you have to pick the keywords which will be relevant to your project, guys. So now for the digital marketing keyword, you will get the auto suggest keyword, guys, which is digital marketing course, meaning jobs in Bangalore, meaning in Tamil. Here you have to pick the keyword which is relevant to your project, guys. So like this, you have to perform the Google instant search result and you have to enter the keyword which will be relevant to your project, guys. So this is called Google instant search results. The next one is Google keyword planner. In the first video itself, I have already explained you how to sign into Google Ads. So if you are after signing into Google Ads only, you can able to use Google keyword planner, guys. For this, now type Google keyword planner. Here I am just leaving it, but if you are doing going to do a project, you must fill this also, guys. in Google Instant Search result, you must to pick the keywords which will be relevant to your project, and you have to enter here. Next, in Google Keyword Planner, go to new tab and type Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner. Now open that. Now click here. Go to Keyword Planner. Here I have already signed in to Google Ads, so it will be open directly. If you are new to this, please watch the before video so that only you will get to know how to sign into Google Ads, guys. Now you will get this page like Google Keyword Planner, guys. Here you have to click discover new keywords. Now I am going to search for digital marketing. Click get results. Now you will get the relevant results which are now you will get the relevant results based on your keyword, guys. Here I have entered digital marketing for this keyword. The relevant keyword will be online marketing, digital marketing. Here you can see, guys, online marketing, digital marketing agency. Here in this Google keyword planner, you will get to know what how many people are searching for this keyword also, guys. So it is very useful than brainstorming and Google instant search result, guys. Here you have to pick the keyword which will be relevant to your project and what people are searching for also. You have to pick the high monthly searches keyword, guys. Here the digital marketing keyword is nearly searching 1 lakh people to 10 lakh people, so you have to pick this keyword. Similarly, you have to pick the keywords which have high monthly searches, guys. So you have to pick this keyword and you have to type here digital marketing. Just wait, guys. Digital marketing. Here you have to enter the average monthly searches. Okay. Like this you have to do for all these keywords which are high average monthly searches. Similarly, you can also able to type another keyword also similar to this digital marketing. Here you can also give them more keywords, so you'll get the relevant result based on your keywords, guys. If you can't able to type more keywords, here you can see that download button. Here you can directly download into the Google Sheets, guys. This keyword will be directly download to the Google Sheets. Just wait, guys. I will show you. It's downloaded. Now it is here. It is not necessary. This tab is also not necessary, guys. While you are performing keywords, guys. So I'm writing each and everything. Here you can see, guys. Here you can directly get the keywords in sheets. So it is very easy to copy the keywords and you can paste it here where you perform the keyword research, guys. Here you will get the average monthly research as accurate, guys. But in Google Keyword Planner, you will be getting the average monthly searches. But in after downloading, you will get the accurate monthly searches, guys. So like this, you have to perform the keyword analysis in Google Keyword Planner, guys. So next to Google Keyword Planner, there are other tools for keyword research, guys. This time that's explaining. Here, for if you can also use the other tools for keyword analysis, guys. The first one is you can use. I'm just closing this tab. First thing is Uber suggest. The other tools for keyword research, guys. First one is Uber suggest. Just wait, guys. I'll show you here. First tool is Uber suggest. Second, you can use SEMrush. You can also use Moz. Here, there are more tools for keyword research, guys. You can use any one now, any one, or you can use the more tools also, guys. In Uber suggest, I will explain you now. This website looks like this, guys. Here you have to enter the same keyword, which is digital marketing, and click search. No, but before you click search, you have to change the country, guys. Now I'm searching for United States. After search, also you can also able to change the country, guys. Just type India. Now you can see here, guys, for the digital marketing keyword, the search volume is 2,42,000. The SEO difficulty for this digital marketing keyword is 77, guys. So when you come down here, you will get the relevant keyword to the keyword which you have given, guys. So for the digital marketing keyword, you will get digital marketing Google. The search volume for this keyword is 18,000, guys. So in Uber suggest also you will get the search volume for each keyword, guys. Here also you can use the download button to download this keyword, guys. Mostly everyone use other tools for keyword research, guys. Similarly, you have to use this other tools for keyword research. Like this, you have to do keyword analysis. When you get a project, first you should do keyword research. After that only you will optimize your on page and off page, guys. So keyword analysis plays a major role in SEO, guys. So thank you.